In this video, I'll show you how to update your Onn Roku TV. So to do this, you need first of all, to turn on, and then on the left side here, you're gonna have this menu. You need to select settings. Once you select settings in this other menu, you need to go all the way down where you see system. Go on it and press OK. And then finally, you need to go to system update. Right over there and click OK. Then you're gonna select check now. It will search, and if there is a system update, it will show here, and then you need to select update now. It will do its thing. It will take a few minutes and it will be done. If this doesn't solve your problem, you can always unplug your Onn TV, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back into the wall socket. This solves many different issues. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, check the links in the description if you want to support the channel, and I will see you in the next one.